Do you know of a senior who is medically isolated, frail, and underinsured? The MSSP program provides both social and healthcare management services to assist individuals to remain in their own homes and communities. The MSSP program of Health Project Center may be able to coordinate several services if your senior qualifies, such as personal care maintenance, homemaker services, home safety management, money and medication management, and more. Program qualifications are 65 or older, have significant health issues, have appropriate Medi-Cal eligibility, and live in Santa Cruz or Monterey County. A team of nurses and social workers provides each MSSP participant with a complete assessment to determine needed services. The team then works with the MSSP participant, their physician, family, and others to develop an individualized care plan. Call us today to see if you or the person you care about qualify for MSSP. For more information on this and other services, contact us at 1-800-624-8304 or visit www.hpcn.org.